Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Squarespace login issues, account and billing errors step by step clearly. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable. If you are connected but still having issues, try clearing your browser cache. Open your browser settings and find the option for clearing browsing data. Make sure to select cached images and files, then proceed to clear the cache. Restart your browser and attempt to log in to your Squarespace account again. If you receive a specific error message, take note of it for further troubleshooting. Next, ensure that you are using the correct email address associated with your account. If you have tried multiple passwords, consider using the password recovery feature. Click on Forgot Password on the login page and follow the instructions sent to your email. If you do not receive the email, check your spam or junk folder. If you are still having trouble, attempt to log in from a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with website functionalities. Disable any extensions temporarily and try logging in again. If your account is locked due to too many failed login attempts, wait for a period before trying again. For billing-related issues, confirm that your payment details are up to date in your account settings. Make sure your credit card has not expired and that there are no restrictions on your account. If you suspect a payment issue, reach out to your bank or credit card provider for assistance. If you encounter an issue with the Squarespace platform itself, check their status page for any service interruptions. If all else fails, contact Squarespace support for personalized assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the issue you are experiencing. Follow the instructions they provide to resolve your login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.